Hello everyone. I'm Aisha and you are tuned in to the 666th episode of our Here and Now podcast. Today, we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Our first story today from the Economic Times, where we look at the macroeconomic picture and India's ambition to become a $5 trillion economy. Our very own Dr. Tapan Singhal, MD and CEO of Bajaj General Insurance, posits that the insurance sector is not just a bystander, but a critical driver of this economic momentum. As the country gears up for this milestone, insurance is expected to play a pivotal role in providing financial stability and risk mitigation for both businesses and individuals. Deepening insurance penetration is essential to protect the growing asset base and to mobilize long-term capital for infrastructure projects. This development highlights the symbiotic relationship between economic growth and financial security. For India to sustain high growth rates, the financial safety net provided by insurance becomes indispensable. It acts as a shock absorber against economic volatility, ensuring that households and enterprises can bounce back quickly from setbacks and keep the economic engine running smoothly. Our next story today from News 18, we focus on new investment opportunities for those planning their wealth or retirement. Two new value-based ULIP or unit-linked insurance plan funds have been launched, opening their new fund offers to investors. These funds are designed to combine the benefits of life insurance with wealth creation by investing in a mix of equity and debt with a value-based investment strategy. This approach targets stocks perceived to be trading below their intrinsic value, offering the potential for significant long-term gains. This launch is significant for investors looking to optimize their portfolios. By introducing value-based strategies, insurers are providing a sophisticated tool for investors who want to balance the safety of insurance with the growth potential of the stock market. It reflects a maturing market in which products are becoming more tailored to specific investment philosophies, helping individuals build a robust retirement corpus while remaining insured. Moving on to our next story from Business Standard, we examine a potential shift in the pension landscape. The National Pension System, or NPS, is considering introducing a new option that combines pension savings with health insurance. This move aims to address a major concern for retirees, the rising cost of healthcare. By integrating health insurance into the pension framework, the NPS aims to ensure that subscribers' medical needs do not erode their retirement savings. This proposal signals a much-needed evolution in retirement planning. Currently, pension and health insurance are often viewed as separate silos, but merging them acknowledges that healthcare costs pose a significant financial risk in old age. And finally, a story from Investment Guru India about the convergence of wealth and wellness. Standard Chartered has launched a new health and wellness proposition in India, specifically targeting its affluent clientele. This initiative is built on strategic partnerships with Niva Bupa for health insurance coverage and Whoop for wearable technology. The offering is designed to cover the entire healthcare spectrum, from preventive care to personalized wellness coaching. Key features include unlimited health insurance cover, virtual concierge services for medical assistance, and data-driven health insights through Whoop devices. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these in-depth updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such stories from the world of insurance. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week ahead.